More shape. Good. Right, going down, try and think about straight, James, hit it through mid-on. Lean into it, James. Smell the ball, get that weight on your front foot. Transfer that weight. That's it, hold, wait for that ball. Lovely shapes, didn't quite time it, don't panic. Through mid-on. Good, watch that head. You feel your head where you ended up with the shot. Lock your head in now, James. Stand taller, that back, a bit straighter. Lock that head in, don't move. Right, that's leg stump. I don't want you whipping anything that's too straight. Better. It's a better place to hit it. Wait for the ball. Weight on that front foot. Going down. Good shape. Good. James, do me a favour, just go and bat on middle for me. Because your head's getting you in an awkward position on middle and off. Just stay on middle, yeah, that's it. Ready? Alright, working. So James, remember the rule of thumb on that onside. If the ball comes inside your pad, where are you looking to hit it? Straight. Yeah, on the inside. If it comes on the outside of the pad, then you can afford to look to hit it a bit squarer, yeah? So work with that as a theory, but get on middle for me, yeah? Don't shake. Right, nice shot, wait for it a bit longer. Alright, lean towards it, James. Get that head in, lock your head in, lock your head, left shoulder, lock it in. So the reason I've moved you, James, is your head, as the ball comes, James, your head is falling offside, like it was on the video. So by moving you to middle, your head now is moving a little bit more in line with off stump rather than being outside. So it makes you a bit less vulnerable to those deliveries a bit straighter, yeah? Ideally, I'd like you to be a little bit more upright. Weight on that front foot, but a straighter back rather than a bent, so your head doesn't go that way and it goes at the bowler, yeah? Try and get it coming at me. That's it. That ball, really wait for it. That's better, James. You locked your head in there, it didn't move. Lock it in. Pick the right length, you're in driving mode, aren't we? Pick the length. Right, it's a nice shot, nice shape. Good. Lovely shape, James, good. Keep that head up, lock it in, lock it still. Right, let's go a little bit quicker, 70. Okay, keep weight on that front foot, James. Keep watching that ball. Nice shape. Good, well watch. Weight forward. Come on, forward defensive. Get that head coming at the ball. Better shape. Bring it on, James. Open that left toe a little bit more, yeah. Just open that little left toe. That allows you to access the ball a little bit easier when it's a bit straighter. That strong top hand. All right, working on that timing. How do you feel on middle stump? Does it feel slightly easier to access those leg side balls? Yeah. Okay. So that's you. So take guard. Make sure you've got your back foot. James, tomorrow, if you're back, take guard with back foot and front foot on middle, yeah? And both toes touch the line, then you know you're sideways on. And then make sure that left toe is slightly open, in case that ball swings back at you, yeah? Good, try not to lean towards the offside, lean towards me. Head and shoulder at me. Lovely shape. All right, good. Pick the right length, it's all right, well watched. Well played. Good, well watched. Okay, keep leaning into it, James. Try and bend that front knee, sniff the ball. Wait for that half volley. Good. Right, through mid-on. That's middle and leg. We'll try to hit it through square leg. Try and hit it through mid-on. Good. Waiting for it. Good shot. Nice and straight. Great shot. Didn't see that till late. Good, well played. Pick the right length, James, yeah? All right. Why did we end up having to hit it there? Because you got planted a bit, didn't you? Okay? Yeah, try and really play that ball as late as you can. You know, it's difficult. Good, well played. Body weight forward, James. Body weight forward. Right, did you need to clear it? Hands were pushing towards extra, weren't they? Yeah. Good. Right, back them up.